Hi, families. I hope everyone's ready for a great week. This is the last week of the semester. That means all assignments for all we've done in Accelerate Ed must be turned in by Friday at 4 o'clock at the latest. That way, it gives us time to get them into the system and get them graded before the system closes down. For art this week, we are in lesson 16. We are making junk sculptures and finger knitting. There is one where you're stringing popcorn and cranberries. I'm making that optional. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but you may. In language arts, we're in module 18, talking about the letter V. In math, we're in module 18. We're doing the number 12, telling time and working on adding. Science this week, we're doing lesson 18.1, and that is extreme weather. So blizzards, tornadoes, hurricanes, that kind of stuff. And in social studies, it's a big review week. We're doing a lot of review, and there is a project called Me on the Map, where your child will draw a picture of them and their bedroom and their house and their neighborhood and their city and their state, all the way onto the globe. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Please make sure, I think almost everyone has taken the STAR test, so good job on that. And like I said, everything needs to be turned in by Friday at 4 o'clock. We will miss our friends who are returning to in-person. I look forward to getting to see them in the school, though, which will be fun. And everybody else, I will be sending out a new schedule. Things will be switched around a little bit starting next week. I have some different responsibilities in the school since our numbers have dropped some. So I've rearranged the schedule so that it fits for everything. So look forward to seeing you guys this week and keep working hard. Bye-bye.